Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda VTX1300S Cruiser. Twin cylinder, 1300 cc's, liquid cooled, shaft drive. This is the S model, which has the spoke wheels, so it's really retro. Nice touring windscreen with running lights, engine guards, floorboards, custom saddlebags. This bike is in beautiful condition. Only $59.99 with brand new tires, shaft drive, heel toe shifter, electric start. I love this bike. Come on by, make your touring V-Twin dreams come true. Only 8,500 miles. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.